stairs are here, and no way I am going to be taking all that stuff that I loaded to the storage up those 3 flights of stairs. So I hired movers. It's about $350 for them to move everything. It's not the cheapest, but they were available today, and I can load everything into the house and just start unpacking. So I thought I'll take advantage of it. Alright, so there's a gelato place next to a yoga place. I'm gonna go check that out. AMC Theater, a ramen place, Ulta Beauty is over there, and Nordstrom Rack is on the other side right there. So yeah, it's definitely, yeah. Oh, I hate this. And then the AMC Dolby Theater. Load number 3 is done. It's currently 8:17, so it was just about 30 minutes for me to load all of this stuff. Let me my camera around. As you can see, it is not the prettiest packing, but you know what? I made it. And so load number 3 is done. I have one more load to do right before I fly out of here to New Jersey. The car is emptied. So, and of course, as you can see right there, I've scratched up the car a little bit, so I'll be scrubbing that when I come back. As you can see over here, quite a bit of scratches, but oh well. Time to head on home, clean up, pack up, and finish the move.
A few moments later.
It's now 1:05. Everything is packed in, literally packed in. And I left some stuff back here. I'm now going to head over to a McDonald's, order a quick bite to eat, and then use their bathroom. Clean myself off a little bit because look at this. I look at that. Woo. But y'all, I did it. I did this thing by myself. Now head to the airport. Hopefully my flight is not delayed. I will see you guys at the airport. I was rushing and I didn't have time to film my last day at that apartment, but I did a quick video tour of the empty room tour. But it's my last day in Santa Ana and I am driving my last load to the storage. Then I'm heading to the airport for New Jersey, baby. Oh Lord, the solo life ain't easy, I tell you that. I look like crap, I smell like crap, but at least we're done. Hopefully, I'm about 30 minutes behind. I was supposed to leave at 10 o'clock, but I left around 11-ish. So I'm giving myself about an hour and a half, 2 hours to get to the storage unit, unload everything. I need to be at the airport by 3 p.m. latest. So we'll see if all of those things are gonna happen, and hopefully the TSA guards are with me and I can just stroll on through TSA to make it there in time for my flight. So hopefully, you know, when I get on that flight, I'll just take a sleeping pill and pass out.
Meanwhile.
I told myself that I would take advantage of living right next to an AMC theater. So I've got the A-list membership. So 3 times a week, I'm gonna try to take advantage of the movies, even if I just watch 1 or 2 movies a month, I'm sorry. I have to watch at least 3 movies a month in order for it to make sense. So off I go to the AMC theater to go watch Oppenheimer. I'm excited about this movie. Love Cillian Murphy. I find the story even more interesting. So yeah, I'll let you guys know what I think about the movie afterwards. So I've moved into the new apartment. I am trying to organize my apartment on a budget. So, you know, when we got debt to pay, right, we need to find a way to make things work with the budget that we have. So what I'm going to be doing today is a video on how I am using Dollar Tree to fully organize my whole apartment, from the kitchen to the office area to the bedroom to the closet and my bathroom, right? So you are going to see how I'm going to be transforming my messy apartment right now into an organized space that I'm going to enjoy coming back to, right? So I'm going to give you right now a tour of what this apartment looks like right now. Don't judge me too harshly. Don't judge me too harshly, because, you know, I just moved things in. I was by myself. Well, I did hire a moving company to bring things up, but earlier when I packed and when I moved things into storage, I was by myself. So it was disorganization galore. What I've done now that's different, I've hired somebody to help me, and hopefully not only will it go faster, but things will also be done a little bit better. This is the entrance, and these right here are all of the stuff that I got to organize. So I have these plastic bins, I have all those totes right there in the bottom. I really like those. These are very stackable. You can stack them on top of each other. These are also stackable, if you can see, right? They have this area so you can stack things on top of each other. So I also like these little white bins. These are also very stackable, and I'll show you guys all of this stuff. Of course, the totes have a lid, making them, not only do they have a lid, they are clear, so it's easy to just stack things up. The refrigerator will be organized too. Look at how messy that is. I've bought some storage containers so that when I do meal prepping, instead of storing the whole container, I can store the foods in my, you know, my Pyrex. Here is the pantry. Messy, but hopefully we can get that taken care of soon. Here in the bottom also, things are just a mess everywhere, as you can see. And this is the walkway. I'm just gonna try to walk over there and, you know, gauge how far of a walk it is. See, like right there, literally just right there, that's the shopping center. So there's a cycling club here. So I'm in the complex now. So I can click on this and no, it's not touch screen. The other side of the swimming pool. I like this barrels. C'est bien décoré. And here's the gym. I guess those are hot things when it gets warm. There's the gym. Guess you could do yoga if you wanted. And the rest of the gym, of the fitness center, the weight room. You can even open up those windows, get a better workout. I mean, those garage doors. Here is the other unit. It's a little bit more expensive, and everybody gets their own little garages right there. And here's the other unit. This area is a little nicer than wherever I visited earlier. But this unit is better because it's more accommodating for roommates. But still, see that? And there is the exit for the garage that goes directly into the apartment. So 204 is this one. Fake hardwood floors. The balcony is a little bit better. You have a slightly better view. Here's the dining. Here's they gave you hardwood floors, but I got one side.
Care of yourself. You're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.